This is Aurorin, the next generation CAD software. Let's try it out. Step number 1, create an account and go to dashboard. The next step is to install the application, and for some reason it is asking me to sign in again. I don't know why. So let's explore the UI here. On the left hand side you have a CAD tree, very similar to conventional software, a minimalistic toolbar on the top, and an AI assistant window on the right. Alright, so the first task that I'm going to provide is design a small casing for a handheld console. So here you can see that I'm providing the specifications in the chat, and I've selected prototyping as the mode. Let us see what happens. So here you can see that the workflow is similar to vibe coding. It has defined a set of tasks and seems to have updated a couple of points, but I don't see anything in the window yet. Okay, so let us see what it has done. It's created the handheld console. In fact, it has done more than what I had asked for. Is there a good thing? I'm not sure, but let us actually explore the CAD tree to see what it has done. One thing that would be really useful is if it actually outputs the plan before starting and actually getting an approval from the user. This is something that commonly occurs in vibe coding tools, but here that seems to be missing. Maybe the team is working on it. Now that the task is complete, let us see what are the things that we can change. So now in the CAD tree, when I click on the part, I'm able to access the underlying sketch, which is a very useful feature. Okay, so now when I use the measure tool on the D-pad, I think there are a couple of things that I actually like. It has automatically dimensioned and has also added constraints based on what it thinks is nice. The measure feature can definitely have a better UX. It seems to overlap dimensions, and you can see that the select button is not quite visible here, but okay, looks like all the dimensions got wiped out. Not sure why. But yeah, I think it's too early to be used in any type of engineering workflow. That's very clear. But I think the core elements are already there. See, typically if you have to do something like this, right, and if you look at existing players who claim that they have AI with CAD, what they generally do is they use the APIs that these CAD softwares provide to create really basic shapes. Now in this case, at least when we asked for a console, it put together something that looks like a console. And more importantly, it allows you to edit the various layers, which I think is very, very critical. Now, obviously, CAD softwares that you use, right, say CATIA, Autodesk Inventor or whatever, right, they have been in the market for a long time, and hence they are very matured in terms of UI and UX. But I think here, this company, I think, will take a little bit more time to get there. Obviously, it's a very young company. But I think from a core features point of view, this is actually very cool. If you ask someone with zero experience in CAD to create something like this, today I don't think they can get around a software like CATIA to create something like this. And this is how the early vibe coding days were as well. So at this point, if you ask me, is this something that you should invest a lot of time on? I think answer is yes. It's a free tool right now. I think the company also knows that this is a product in development, and that's why they have given free credits as well. So yeah, definitely start using this. And as and when they build more features, and as and when things become more robust and reliable, I think you will benefit by being an early adopter. If you found this video useful, share this with someone who will find this interesting, and please do subscribe to the channel. All right, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.